have one of that?
Yeah, I've done longer ones already. I did a longer one already.
What number was it? Alright, cool. Second one. Put it on second one. We had some drink in here. I mean, hey, God, put some beer in here. Why can't you put some beer in?
But it really cake already.
Hey. Alright, cool. Hey, you think we could make a plane? Maybe that Smooches on it. Sing like that. My bad. One. Cheers.
Wait, you're right here.
I know.
Hey, you ain't more bitches like that. Like, I'll cute as Diana. And Mike is like, yeah. You already has it all planned out.
They were all saying that she was all bigger. I was like, dang.
You got sexy bitches around the pictures right now? Hey, like bitches pictures, dude. All the bitches. Like, mad point. Mad point. Mad point. I fucked up.
Why are you going
Like, you're with the Groomer right now? What the fuck numbers and shit? Hey, you're only 6 of them, dude. I know, but what the fuck? There you go. Come on.
What's that, Smooches?
Look them out.
Yeah,
God, it's about time.
She's pretty good for a shower too. When I give her showers, Pee-wee used to cry, but she's pretty good. She just makes little. So hot, starting from right there. So hot.
Well, they came out of it, or sure. With that. Let's have it short. So, 1.